Padres sent Matt Latos to the Reds to get Alonso. The 3-2 pitch swung on and missed, and there it is. The ball is rolled over to the Dodger dugout. 1,000 strikeouts for Clayton Kershaw, the 13th Dodger and second youngest to Fernando. And it's a good one who became 1,000, Yonder Alonso. It looked like a letter-high fastball and